Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample that I was provided by AYL. So this is the package of double wall glass cups. They're coffee mugs. It's a pair with the teaspoons, and they're very pretty. They're completely glass, 13 ounces. They come with a stainless steel teaspoon, and this is very helpful if you want to add like some sugar. It has the perfect length for you not to stick spoon in the coffee, but also just to mix it like that, which is very nice. This makes a perfect gift for a birthday, a perfect gift for a Mother's Day. What I like about this is that is dishwasher safe. You can also put it in the microwave. You can even put it in the fridge. And before you use it for the first time, I suggest you wash it, you clean it, and enjoy your coffee. I love the style, I love the elegance of the cups. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.